Mr. and Mrs. Morris and their children, Nia and Bryn, went to Allington theme park for a day out. Mr. and Mrs. Morris planned to go on 6 rides each. Nia and Bryn planned to go on 8 rides each. Mr. and Mrs. Morris bought tickets for themselves and the children. They spent as little money as possible. How much money did it cost them all together? You must show all your workings clearly. Okay, so if we look at our table then, we can see that we've got adult prices, and there's a choice. You can either buy a 1-day ticket, which includes all the rides you could go on, for £21.50 and as many times as you want, or individual ride tickets at £2.50 each. Now, Mr. and Mrs. Morris say they're only going to go on 6 rides. So, if Mr. and Mrs. Morris buy individual tickets, how much will that cost them? Okay, so that'll be 6 lots of £2.50 each, won't it? So 6 times £2.50. Okay, well, £2.50, £5, £7.50, £10, £12.50, £15. That would cost them £15. So it would be cheaper for Mr. and Mrs. Morris to buy the individual tickets, wouldn't it? So first of all then we'll say Mr. and Mrs. Morris should buy individual tickets. This will cost £15 each. And that's because if they bought the whole day ticket, it would have cost them £21. Okay, what about the children then? So now we're going to look at, what were their names? Nia and Bryn, that well-known children's name. Okay, they're going to go on 8 rides. So if they buy individual tickets, how much will that cost? Well, 8 times £2.50. Okay, we know 6 tickets were £15, we'd already worked that out. So that was 6, so 7 would be £17.50, 8 would be £20. Okay, well that's more expensive than the child's price for the all-day ticket. So Nia and Bryn should buy a 1-day ticket. And 1-day ticket each, and that's £17.50. So the cost altogether is going to be, let's have a look, 15. So cost altogether is going to be 15 plus 15 plus £17.50 plus £17.50. Okay, so much is that? So £17.50 at £17.50 is £35. 15 add 15 is 30, so that's £65 altogether.